And tension in the Middle East could realize higher oil prices for Kenya in the future. Whilst analysts reckon that the impact of the turmoil between the USA and Iran will not be immediate here, rising crude oil prices will definitely affect the purchase costs for future consignments. Faisal Ahmed has more on this.
Petrol prices are set to climb further in the coming months following the unrest between Iran and the US. In international markets, the price of crude has already been driven up by fears of supplies from the Middle East could be disrupted. Brent has since increased by more than 5% since US airstrikes killed Iranian General Qasem Soleimani in Iraq last Friday.
What that will mean is that those of us who are not very major importers of oil from those other countries are likely to have a problem, and this will cause high demand of oil. When there's this high demand of oil, then the prices of crude oil are likely to go up.
However, the impact on the Kenyan market will not be felt immediately compared to other markets. Chomba further explains that Iran oversees the security of oil tankers in the Middle East, which they have stated they will withdraw support from, leaving the channel unmanned in areas prone to piracy.
I need to note with a lot of concern that the Strait of Hormuz, in which Iran almost controls, passes, or rather is a passage of oil for very many vessels. Close to about 16% of the world oil passes through the Strait of Hormuz. And if that is disrupted, then we are likely to see a surge, because the alternative routes means longer routes, and this will cause for the vessels to charge more.
This comes as the US State Department on Sunday warned that there was an increased risk of attacks on oil facilities and other targets in Saudi Arabia amid widespread expectations Iran would retaliate for the killing of Soleimani. Kenya reviews its refined oil products every 30 days in a rule aimed at taming runaway pump prices. The next review is expected to be released next week on Tuesday. Faisal Ahmed, Citizen TV, Nairobi.